All right, in this video, we're going to look at number 1 that has the 2 functions and see what we can do with those. I believe there are 6 operations with this function, so be mindful that I'm going to try to take care of all of those in this one video. The functions that we're dealing with are, I don't know if I can go a long ways or not, we'll try, are f of x equals 3x plus 2. And g of x equals x squared minus 5. First thing we want to do is we want to add these 2 functions together. So f plus g of x. So what does that look like? You take these 2 functions and you say that gives you 3x plus 2 plus x squared minus 5, x squared plus 3x minus 3. And this is h of x. I'm going to turn this screen because I don't think I can write this way. All right, so we've got the 2 functions. So you're still using these 2 functions for everything. So let's not forget what those 2 functions are. But I think I'm going to have to turn the screen sideways because I write too big. So we're going to flip it this way. Let's do f of x equals, we'll write them again just to make sure we don't forget them, 3x plus 2, and g of x equals x squared minus 5. This time we're subtracting, so h of x equals 3x plus 2 minus x squared minus 5. Don't forget the distribution here. So 3x plus 2 minus x squared plus 5. And that's going to give me negative x squared plus 3x plus 7. And this, you can write it this way and just let the h of x carry down. It's fine. All right, let's go to the next one. In this one, we are multiplying. So we have f of g of x, which is just multiplication. We know f of x is 3x plus 2 times x squared minus 1. Oops, excuse me, minus 5. Oops. Minus 5. And then this is just distribution. So 3x times x squared is 3x cubed minus 15x plus 2x squared minus 10. And then we can put it in standard form. 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 15 minus 10. And that's the answer. Pretty straightforward. Operations that you know. I'm going to skip number 4 and 5 because that means something totally different. But I will do number 6. So we're going to do the one that's this. G. We're going to do the division. So f divided by g. So 3x plus 2 divided by x squared minus 5. And in this case, we know, is there anything that would ever make this 0? Well, if we take this and set x squared minus 5 equal to 0, the only thing it cannot be is plus or minus the square root of 5. And you typically won't put that as part of your answer, so you really don't need this. You could just leave this like it is because you're never going to have that as a solution. And that's the answer. Okay? Hopefully this is helping. I'm just leaving out the composite functions for now. We'll come back to those. All right.